Give mommy a kiss.
Without the tongue.
No.
Are you kissing my cheeks too? Kiss me
I did.
everywhere. Where?
Give mommy a nice long kiss.
Ew.
Give mommy a big kiss.
No.
No, it was
Big
fun.
one.
See, stop being such lesbians.
There is lesbian.
Say, stop being homosexuals.
I didn't say that.
Say, pants are pokey.
No.
Turkey.
Give mommy a big kiss.
Turkey.
Turkey.
What?
Yes.
No. Ah.
Oh.
Stop kissing me.
Yes.
Well, I love you too, but that doesn't mean you gotta kiss me all the time. What's the matter with you?
I don't know.
Your burps stink. Ew! That's nasty.
I just.
Gross. No more kisses.
Oh my god.
Whoa. That was a rough kiss. You're gross.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No more.
Give mommy kisses.
I love you too. No. No more kisses. But you're spitting on me. You are no. Don't make me do it.
Oh my god.
Kiss me after.
Oh my god.
Why did you put your hair up?
Because I want to.
Because why?
Because I need to.
Because what?
Because I said so.
Because why?
Because my butt smells.
Oh no.
Oh
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Are you lesbian?
No.
Are you homosexual?
No.
Are you smoking the Chiba?
No.
What you smoking?
I don't know.
Stop.
Really nice of you.
What?
Nice of you.
What's me? Ew, you farted.
No, you did. Your mouth said. Stop!
What?
No, stop laughing.
I can't. You're funny.
No!
Who's funny?
I don't know! Stop laughing!
Okay, I'm not laughing.
I think mommy needs a kiss.
Stop laughing! I'll show you some toys.
Ew, you farted again. Mm-hmm.